Hello people, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I will like to show you the way how to save reels on your Instagram account so that you can visit or rewatch it later. So the first thing you have to do, open your Instagram application, sign in and log in with your account, and after that you just need to take a look on this button features right here. There will be like 5 sections on Instagram. To visit the reels, you just need to visit the 4th sections here, and you just need to like scrolling down and find out the reels that you want to save. So this is a tutorial video or tutorial reels about the way how to make a brownie. So sometimes it will be needed by us so that we can like cooking the brownies with this recipe. So I will let's try save this reels. To save the reels, you just need to take a look on this right features here and just go click these 3 small dots, and in the top of the options here there will be save buttons, and then you just need to simply click that. And now you already saved those reels. And how to find those on our account, you just need to go visit your profile, go click the 3 small dots and go click this saved button, and you can see any content that you already save on your account. So that's the way how to save reels on Instagram. Hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you. So don't forget to leave some comment, like and subscribe into this channel, and I will see you for the next video.